ya wụrụ anya obodo oyibo m bịara onwe m nga mara ka ndị a na-enwe kondọm ate you have golden circle condom okay yeah ate golden circle condom you have it condom okay condom is there golden circle yeah can't give me original one original condom give me original one original condom Ate, you give me original condom. It's not my turn, why? I'm foreigner, I don't have time to spend. Foreigner, I don't have time to spend. I don't have time. I'm chopping my money. Ate, I'm a foreigner.
Yes, sir. Everyone is a people. You have to follow me.
Why? Because I'm driving off. I don't have time to spend. Foreigner, I don't have time to spend. Give me original condom, please.
No, sir. You have to understand there's a line.
Line?
There's a line.
Maybe you people don't want me to buy.
No, sir. We don't care for a foreigner. There's also Filipino.
My car is outside. I don't have time to spend. Maybe next time.
Then go another.
Okay, don't want to give me a condom. Bye-bye. Bye, bye, the door. I'll check there's some condom. Okay. Where is the head office now? I can enter inside. The head office?
Head office of this.
Yes.
Right, sir.
No, not the owner of not the owner. I want to go inside. Where is the road? Road to go inside. I have some.
Inside of here.
Yeah.
Both ends, sir.
Okay, the downside. Okay, thanks you. How are you? Nice. I'm here now. What? Pussy, kono wa bra mo bodo yibo. Ndara. Beautiful Maganda. You have gold. Ate? Gold, diamonds.
Gold.
Yeah, diamonds.
Ear.
Yeah, I see diamond.
Gold earring.
Diamond, no diamond. Original diamond. A scale. I have my scale. You don't have original diamond. Where can I have it?
In the middle, in the mall.
Okay, middle of the mall. And what a diamond? That's a kingdom area. God, I'm here. Gumbo. Yem neko. Ate. Yem neko. You want prendata? Ate, you have Dom Perignon. Excuse me? Any Dom Perignon, highest drink? You don't have Dom Perignon. Why you don't have Dom Perignon? Why?
Only Moet and Chandon.
Where is the Moet? Where is the champagne? Maintenance is how much?
965.
Why no Dom Perignon? Why the Filipino don't have Dom Perignon? No, but then I won't know where Dom Perignon. Until next time, try to have Dom Perignon. This is my best drink.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Beautiful. But when I Asia, Coco, Pia, how are you? You have people have the best bed? Yeah, the best bed is here. Okay. Enjoying my Asia. How are you? Okay, see them. The best bed. The best bed where my baby can lie down and have a special rest. My baby girl needs some special bed.
What size, sir?
I don't know. Show me the size you have. Show me. Let me see the bed you have. The best bed. The best bed. This one is how much? The bed where my baby will lie and no complaint. 5,800. The best bed. The spring bed where my baby girl can lie without no complaint, no stress, no. You know, you understand now, baby girl, Asia women, you know their complaint. This one?
Yes, sir.
This is not the best bed now, spring bed where baby girl can lie down and
you
feel
need a
so
spring bed.
relaxable now.
You need a spring bed, sir?
Yeah, you have it.
We don't have, sir.
Why?
Our home, sir.
Your home?
We have a bed here. Available spring bed.
Okay, maybe next time. Maybe next time. Wardrobe is how much? How much? Wardrobes? Okay, 4-1. Yeah, okay. See the bed. See that bed. This bed is how much? Yeah. 114. I have more. 114 something. I got drawn on my. I got drawn on one. One then I fully. One then I like. Peace out. One love.